For a building like this, it's challenging in terms of design because there's a production process that's still being developed. So we need to work in collaboration with this process to make informed assumptions.
It's only when you're standing here you get the sense of the complexity and the size. There's nothing like this elsewhere in the UK. The demand for electric vehicle batteries is increasing rapidly. In the UK, it's going to triple in the next 5 years and double in the next 10 years after that. Therefore, it's critical for us to develop fuel cells and batteries at large scale.
The building itself is in total just under 500 metres long. It's about 150 metres wide. You could lay down the Eiffel Tower in the space that we've developed in terms of the building.
This facility would be the largest of its kind in the UK, and a project of this ambition comes with challenges. That's why we partnered with Stantec. They're global leaders in manufacturing design, and they've been working on the Gravity site since day one.
So the process equipment is the important part of this building. The outcome is the batteries that we're producing off the production line. Our job in designing the building is to fit our building closely around that production process and integrate that into the building itself. This process is always subject to change as the manufacturing design and equipment selection evolves. So we have to build upon that and make assumptions and make decisions working very closely with the client to overcome the out of sequence design information flow. That is unusual for most buildings.
The Gravity Local Development Order, or LDO, has been critical to the efficient delivery of the Agratas Building 1, effectively streamlining the town planning process and allowing the building to be built at pace and to cut through some of the planning delays that you would see in a traditional planning route.
This huge, over 600-acre site has always had massive potential, but one of the key things was to make it flexible, and that meant forward planning for things like the energy infrastructure. So we have ready to deliver a massive power supply. We've been managing all the environmental impact, and also things like the site drainage system. That's been a key part of the whole design.
As Agratas' production team started to develop their thoughts around the production process itself, they realised that actually we don't need the extent of building that we originally had. We were able to shorten the building, and we shortened the building in total in collaboration with Agratas' team by about 84 metres. And that 84 metres of reduction build is hugely beneficial both in terms of the cost of the building and the efficiency of the design, but also the embodied carbon that comes along with that.
This project's been really important for local communities, really important in creating local jobs, bringing supply chain to the area, a really good symbol for a greener future.
It's quite right that the government have advanced manufacturing as part of their industrial strategy, and it's a real honour to work on a project like this, and the team feel the same way.
This project is going to contribute about £700 million a year to the economy in the Southwest, establishes and furthers the United Kingdom in a very important area of advanced manufacturing, which is the way of the future. Agratas has our full commitment to what they're trying to achieve here. They're a fantastic client and a great innovator, and that is really in alignment with what we are as a company around the world. We're really excited to be part of this project.